Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hardin County, Illinois, south central Gallatin County, Illinois, south central Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, Union County in northwestern Kentucky, northwestern Webster County in northwestern Kentucky until 1 a.m. At 12:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Uniontown to 7 miles west of Sturgis to 9 miles northwest of Rosiclare, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morganfield, Sturgis, Breckenridge Center, Corydon, Robards, Waverly, and Gross. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 140 and 143. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Gallatin and Hardin, and the following counties in Kentucky, Henderson, Union, and Webster.